Autodesk Inventor 2021 delivers the professional-grade design and engineering tools you rely on every day. In this release, customer-driven improvements have been delivered in virtually every environment inside of Inventor. From making selection more robust for bodies and faces in the part environment, improving the tube and pipe workflow enabling quicker route creation, to easier annotation in the drawing environment with new dimension type options. New and updated functionality inside of Frame Generator provide more flexibility and quicker frame development. Inventor 2021 provides additional performance enhancements when working with large assemblies and sophisticated designs. Connected workflows between Revit and Inventor have been improved, providing an associative link between the two, ensuring manufacturing and construction are always in sync. Inventor 2021 also improves drawing sheet formats and drawing automation with iLogic to speed up the documentation process. And the Inventor user experience continues to update with the new dark theme tech preview, and more tools transition to the property panel for greater efficiency. Autodesk Inventor 2021 provides the tools, the performance, the customer-driven improvements, and the connected workflows you need to create the best possible products.